Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. If you're staring at that pesky GE washer error code 31 and wondering what's going on, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this quick guide, we'll troubleshoot and fix it step by step, so you can get your washer back up and running in no time. First things first, error code 31 on a GE washer usually points to an issue with the water level pressure switch or a problem with the drain system. It might be a clogged hose, a faulty valve, or just a simple reset needed. Whatever it is, let's dive in and sort it out. Before we start, safety is key. Make sure to unplug your washer from the wall and turn off the water supply to avoid any accidents. You'll also need a few basic tools: a flashlight, a pair of pliers, and maybe a towel for any spills. Once you're set, let's begin with the basics. Step 1. Unplug the washer and wait about 5 minutes. This gives the system a chance to reset. After that, plug it back in and run a test cycle. If the error persists, move on to step 2. Check the pressure hose connected to the water level switch. It's usually located at the bottom or back of the machine. Look for any kinks, blockages, or damage. Use your flashlight to inspect it carefully, and if it's clogged, clear it out with a small brush or compressed air. Next, in step 3, examine the drain hose and pump for obstructions. Sometimes, lint, coins, or even small items can cause this error. Remove the access panel if needed, and use pliers to clear any blockages. Don't forget to check the water inlet valve for proper water flow. Turn on the supply and see if water enters smoothly. If these steps don't resolve the issue, try resetting the washer's control board. Hold down the power button for 10 seconds or follow your model's specific reset instructions in the manual. Finally, if nothing works, it might be time to call a professional technician, as there could be an electrical fault. There you have it. That's how you tackle GE washer error code 31. Remember, regular maintenance like cleaning filters can prevent this in the future. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more handy fixes. Thanks for watching, and happy washing.